Climate change. Why does 1.5 degrees Celsius matter? In context, the 1.5 degrees Celsius target is the goal of the Paris Agreement, which calls for countries to take concerted climate action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions in order to limit global warming. Now let's talk about the importance of 1.5 degrees Celsius. Science from the IPCC is clear. Limiting warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius can avoid the worst impacts of climate change. Many changes become larger in direct relation to more warming, and every fraction of a degree makes a difference. Every avoided increment of warming would reduce extremes such as heat waves, heavy rainfall and droughts, as well as long-term impacts and the risk of crossing tipping points of the Earth system. This is what the world looks like if we pass the crucial 1.5 degree climate threshold. Coral reefs face almost complete die-off. Oceans are warming along with the atmosphere. Since they absorb much of the excess heat from climate change, our oceans will continue to become warmer and more acidic. When temperatures rise, coral expel the microscopic algae inside them, losing their food source in the process. Sometimes the corals can recover, but increasingly, they're dying off. Unheard of, storms become more common. Scientists warn that a hotter atmosphere is a wetter atmosphere. Warmer air can hold more water, helping produce more intense rainfall and stronger storms. Melting ice leads to flooded cities. Already, in the last 16 years, Antarctica and Greenland have lost enough ice to feel like Michigan, according to NASA. That ice melt is raising the level of the oceans, along with melting glaciers and the expansion of the ocean water itself, which happens as it gets hotter. The rise is also accelerating. Sea levels could rise an additional 1 to 3 feet by 2100, according to the latest report from the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, the UN's Climate Research Group. So can the Paris Agreement 1.5 degrees Celsius temperature limit still be achieved? The quick answer is yes. It is still conceivable to limit warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius, and there are emission reduction strategies in the scientific literature and from the IPCC that show what is necessary. However, time is running out. And that's it for today's video. I hope you all learned a lot, and goodbye.